and welcome back to another unboxing. And I'm going to do a quick unboxing of a Amazon Prime case that I just got. I got a Torras case with full protection. It just fit perfectly and green materials. Simply for life. So I'm just gonna open this right up. It's just a quick unboxing, really. I'm not really. I really need something to hold my camera for me, and just need to get this out. There we go. So now I got this. I got this thing right here. Is this instructions to install? Wow, it's showing me how to put the case on. I think I already know how to do that. Okay, so that can go over here. And now I'm going to try to put on the case. Now that I cleaned up the area, I'm right now using an iPad Air 1. The camera is awful, but it's what I have to work with right now. So first, I actually want to get this case off, my old clear case, and now I want to grab my new case, which has this nice stunning color that looks like black on the camera. This nice soft inside, and the outside just feels really nice. So I'm just gonna plop this on. I need to get a better camera. This camera's horrible. And wow, they really weren't kidding about the instructions. I guess they really did need the instructions. Okay, the phone's at 4%. I can't actually get this on. Finally, it took forever. So that's what it looks like. I'm gonna get a better camera to give you. I'm actually gonna get a better camera to give a view, but this feels really nice on my palm right now. Switched to an iPhone 6. The color just shows up a tiny bit better. It's because when I was over here, it looks kind of dark. Over here it looks kind of dark. I can actually let the light in, but that's what it actually looks like. This nice blue color, and it's really easy to use. My phone's at 4% right now, so I gotta charge it soon. But it's really nice to use, really comfortable, and overall, it's a really good case. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all next time.